General overview on how to program in Python. Python, a high-level language developed by Guido van Rossum, is known for its easy readability. The core philosophies of the language are simple: simplicity over complexity, beauty over ugliness, explicit over implicit, and other similar aphorisms. The most important philosophy of the language is readability counts, which means that the syntaxes and codes written using Python are clear and neat. The programming language has a huge library that supports programmers. Python also has an open-source version called CPython programming platform. It has a huge community of developers who constantly work to upgrade features. Python is a dynamic language and supports different programming styles, including object-oriented, aspect-oriented, functional, and imperative. One of the best features of the language is easy and enhanced memory management. Essentially employed as a scripting language, Python offers a great level of functionality. While it can be used as a standalone program, you can also integrate third-party tools and customize its functionality. One of the highlights of Python is that it is a highly extensible language. This means that various functional elements are not built into the core of this platform. Rather, you can use third-party applications and extend the platform's functionality. Additionally, you can also integrate a Python code into an existing program and create an interface for programming. This is called embedding and extending. Like mentioned above, syntaxes of Python are simple. Complicated syntaxes are rejected, and the platform embraces codes that are less cluttered and sparse. However, this does not in any way influence the performance or functionality of programs. Also, unlike other popular programming languages, such as Perl, Python does not offer unnecessary clutter by giving the programmer multiple ways of achieving the same purpose. Python's philosophy is to offer one powerful way of obtaining one result. This philosophy is the main driving force behind the simplicity of Python. So, if you want to become adept in this language, you need to change your mindset and think in a simple and straightforward manner. This approach towards programming works best with Python. In order to aid simplicity, Python coding and syntaxes use English words rather than punctuations or symbols. This enhances the readability as well. Some examples of statements written in Python include if, for, while, try, class, def, with, yield, import, and many others. Most of the commands used are self-explanatory. Owing to the ease of handling, Python is a programmer's language. Moreover, learning the language is very simple. One of the biggest advantages of Python, besides clear and easily readable codes, is the speed with which you can code. Programmers can go on a fast track because multiple levels, which are not necessary, can be skipped. Another advantage is that programmers get a lot of support from the Python open source developer community. The portability feature of Python is another one of its major strengths. Not only can Python run on multiple platforms, but also programmers only need to write a single program to work on all operating systems, such as Linux, Mac, Windows, and others. It is a highly adaptable language.